Hi everyone, I'm Shashi Ram and welcome to my YouTube channel Data and AI Automation with SR. On this channel, I will guide you through powerful automation and AI technologies, making complex solutions simple and accessible. Whether you are just starting or looking to advance your skills, you will find practical tutorials, real-world example and expert insights. I will be uploading my first tutorial video starting tomorrow, so stay tuned. In the meantime, here is what you can expect. Step-by-step tutorial on Power Apps, Power Automate, SharePoint, Microsoft Forms, and AI Builder. We will also walk through Python coding for data visualization and automation, business analysis, best practice, and real-world use case. So this is what you are going to expect in my YouTube channel. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's first tutorial. Let's explore the future of automation together. Thank you.